In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Davinci Resolve quality. First, we need to check the timeline resolution. Begin by locating the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the interface. This is your gateway to important settings for your project. Clicking on this gear icon takes you directly to the master settings. Here you will find options that control how your project is displayed and rendered. It's crucial to set the timeline resolution to match your footage. For instance, if your footage is in Full HD, you should set it to 1920 by 1080 pixels. If you're working with 4K footage, adjust it to 3840 by 2160 pixels. Additionally, ensure that the timeline frame rate matches your video's frame rate. This step is essential because mismatched settings can lead to playback issues and poor quality in your final output. After making these adjustments, click Save. This ensures that all your changes are applied and will reflect in your project moving forward. Next, we will address blurry playback, which can be frustrating when editing. If you notice that your viewer looks low quality, it's time to make a quick adjustment. Navigate to the playback menu at the top of the screen. From there, find Timeline Proxy Resolution. This option allows you to set the preview quality of your timeline. You'll want to set it to full. Doing this will ensure that what you see in the viewer matches the actual quality of your footage. This is important for making accurate edits and decisions while working on your project. Once you set it to full, you should see a noticeable improvement in playback clarity. Now that you've adjusted the timeline resolution and playback settings, let's take a moment to understand why these steps matter. Having the correct timeline resolution and playback quality not only enhances your editing experience but also allows you to make precise corrections and adjustments. It saves you time in the long run by minimizing the need for re-edits due to quality issues. After that, let's check your export settings to ensure everything is set for high-quality output. Go back to the gear icon in the bottom right corner to access the project settings again. This time, look for the render settings. Here you can specify the format and quality of your exported video. Make sure to select a high-quality codec such as H.264 or ProRes, depending on your needs. This step is vital because the codec you choose directly affects the final quality of your video. A higher quality codec results in a better-looking final product. Once you have set your render settings, you'll want to do a quick review of your project. Take a moment to play through your timeline, ensuring that everything looks and sounds as it should. This is an essential step because it gives you a chance to catch any last-minute issues before exporting. Finally, when you are satisfied with your project, it's time to export. Go to the Deliver page. Here you can choose the destination for your file and finalize your export settings. Make sure to name your project and select the appropriate resolution that matches your timeline settings. After you click on the Export button, you will see a progress bar indicating that your video is being processed. This is an exciting moment as you are about to see the results of your hard work. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance the quality of your projects in Davinci Resolve. Remember, proper settings can significantly impact your editing workflow and final output. With that ready, you will be able to produce professional quality videos with ease. Thank you for watching.